Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty Agbontan. Guys, happy new month in advance. Today is 31st of May 2020. Guys, I just finished this look now on my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I come up with this beautiful look, you can check it on my YouTube channel. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I just want to today I'm going to be doing the chicken breast stir fry today. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So guys, here are all my ingredients. Over here I have 2 scotch bonnet pepper and ginger here, garlic here. So over here I have my curry powder, salt, bay leaves, thyme, and and salt. So I also have black pepper here. Over here I have 1 non cube here. So I have soy sauce here. So here is my cornstarch. I will be needing cornstarch for this recipe. So over here is my chicken breast, which I'm going to be needing. So over here is my veggies. So this is wok mixed. So I got this one from Willys if you live here in Sweden. So I have different variety of of veggies here. I have carrots, I have the yellow bell pepper, I have the green bell pepper. I also have I have so many variety of veggies here. So this is what we are going to be stir frying today. So guys, let's get started. So guys, we are going to start with our chicken breast. So I'm going to wash then come back so that we can slice it together.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Just place my pot in the fire. So I also add some oil to the pot. So the oil is a little bit hot now. I'm just going to throw in 2 onions into the oil. Then I will be adding some rosemary into the oil because I love adding rosemary plant into the oil, guys. So what we are going to do now is just to stir fry our chicken breast. So I will be adding my chicken breast into it. So guys, you need to continue stirring so that it will not get stick to the pot. So guys, this is after about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to remove it so I can add the other ones to the oil. So guys, I just put my oil in the pan now. So what we are going to do now is just to start to stir fry. So over here are all my veggies. So as I said earlier, I have onions in there. I have so many veggies in. So I'm just going to pour it inside my oil. I'm just going to give it a stir. So you can use any veggies of your choice. So guys, I will be adding my scotch bonnet pepper and my garlic to it. So I want it to be spicy. So I'm just going to, before adding my non-cube. So guys, it's time to add our non-cube to it. And I'm going to be tasting for salt. My kitchen smells good, guys. You guys need to be here. Oh, the aroma is not here, guys. You need to be here to perceive this aroma with me. Wow, yummy, looks yummy. So guys, I will be adding my chicken breast to it now. I'm just going to give it a stir. Wow. So I will not be adding all to it. So I'm going to, So guys, in the next 5 minutes, I will be adding my cornstarch to it. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you guys when I'm adding my cornstarch to it. So guys, this is my strong cornstarch here. So this is a teaspoon of cornstarch. What I'm going to be doing now is just to add a little bit of water to it. Then mix it together. If you add it that way, it's going to leave it like a sponge inside, which I don't really like. So I prefer doing it like this. Just, adding a little bit of water to it again. Then I'm still going to turn it. So this process is just to make it thick now, just to thicken it together. So guys, now I'm going to be adding it to our sauce. So I just added it. So guys, this is so delicious, guys. You need to try it. You need to try it. It looks so yummy and delicious. So guys, in the next 2 minutes our sauce is ready. So guys, it's ready. What I'm going to do now is just to dish it out. Guys, you need to try this. You need to try it. This is the finishing part. You can use it with rice, even with yam. It can also go with yam. It looks so delicious. So I will be tasting it now. It's good I taste it for you guys to see. So guys, if you have watched up to this extent, I say thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you. Thank you all so much. Today is your first time coming across my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the Lord God will bless you. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Remain blessed.